Hello. Welcome to mfmeducation.so. Let's skip the motivational fluff and look at the actual physics of cash flow. The absolute fastest way to build your initial investment capital from zero isn't by saving pennies. It's by deploying a high-value technical skill as a fractional contractor. If you're specialized, whether in cloud architecture, technical workflows, or specialized engineering, selling your time by the hour is a mathematical trap. Look at the framework in Alan Weiss's classic book, Million Consulting. You shift from billing hours to value-based monthly retainers. If you secure just 3 corporate clients on a modest $3,000 monthly retainer to optimize their systems, you are generating $9,000 a month in high-margin revenue. You run this operations engine using platforms like TopTal or Upwork Enterprise to establish your baseline velocity. No lifestyle inflation allowed here. 70% of this inflow must bypass your personal account entirely and stream straight into your asset foundation. Now let's examine the software route. To build a $1 million business asset completely solo, look at the live metrics of indie developers like Peter Levels. His platform, fly.peter.com, scaled to a $1 million annual recurring revenue run rate in exactly 17 days using a development stack built inside Cursor.com paired with 3.js. Or look at Mark Liu, who crossed $1 million in solo revenue using simple microproducts. The mathematical target to hit a $1 million run rate is precisely $83,333 in monthly recurring revenue. That breaks down to exactly 1,000 active users paying you a clean $83 a month. But before you write a single line of code, you must read the MOM test by Rob Fitzpatrick. It teaches you how to validate customer utility so you don't build useless code. Use Stripe Atlas for corporate infrastructure and Versal for rapid deployment. If you maintain your user product drop-off rate, your churn, under 3%, the recurring subscription stacking logic becomes purely predictable physics. What do you do with the cash flow generated by your retainers or software? You route it straight into a hands-free compounding engine. Stable markets like Nvidia, copper futures, and gold, which we shall break down in the future videos. These are great for long-term gains and keeping your capital. Let's look at the verified historical data. According to official S&P Global Performance Statistics, the S&P 500 index maintained a 10.4% average annual total return over the 30-year period from 1996 through 2025. If you take your business profits and deploy exactly $1,500 every single month into an ultra-low-cost index fund, like Vanguard's VOO or BlackRock's IVV, you can plug those exact numbers into the official calculator at investor.gov. Compounding at that historical 10.4% rate, your capital crossed the $1 million mark in exactly 18 years, which isn't very impressive to the younger friends, but don't forget the $1 million coming in yearly from our retail business. If you want the complete strategic blueprint on why this works better than 95% of actively managed hedge funds, read The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. It's the definitive guide on using market index automation as a core wealth engine. The final breakthrough isn't selecting one single path. It's connecting them into an automated data and capital pipeline. You use your fractional high-income skills or software systems to capture high-margin revenue through Stripe. Then, you set up your corporate treasury on a platform like Mercury.com to automatically route a fixed percentage of every incoming deposit directly into your brokerage portfolio. You remove human emotion, human hesitation, and human error from the loop completely. You are treating your personal finances exactly like an automated engineering system. We have mapped out this complete asset tracking system, our automated allocation script, and our data calculators inside the channel's master database. For the ebook and blueprint on how to do this, I have made a step-by-step PDF for you to get that first million, my friend. All the websites and book recommendations are in the description. Like and subscribe to stay technical, and let's build systems that last and build core generational wealth.